Okay, so on this side of the garage, we have the leaf filters, gutter. Okay, now if you look, I've got this brush, and I'm taking this brush, and I really gotta work. This is a thankless job, by the way. I gotta work pretty hard to get this stuff off of here, get it loosened up. It just, the crud just builds up in these, even though they're micro filters, it just builds up in here, and you gotta scrape the hell out of this stuff to get it loosened up so that I can blow it off. But I mean, look at this, I gotta really work at loosening this stuff up. Okay, now let's take a look at the other side of the garage, and then we'll see what the rain gutter filters. Okay, so we're working our way down. Not a bad idea to have like a push broom or something like that with you, especially a short handled one like this. Kind of nice. When I come over here, pretty much one brush across these things are all that it takes to loosen that up and get them ready to get blown off. So it's just like 10 times easier. And if you look at the filters themselves, they got a kind of a honeycomb pattern to them that for whatever reason doesn't get that crud to stick in there. So as I work my way across, one little brush from my brush here pretty much opens these things up. It just makes it a whole lot less work for clearing off this stuff, which, you know, hopefully you do in the spring, and hopefully you're done. So Rainy Day Gutters filters over here, Rainy Day Gutters of north central Minnesota. And then we'll walk over here again and show you the good old, you know, the big boys, they talk a big game, but when it comes, see this, there's 3 or 4 different brushes, and I got to lean on this thing to get these things out of those little micro filters. So even though they may give you a nice sell job of what their filters do, the actual cleanup is a royal pain in the butt. So if you're going to choose not only a gutter system, but especially gutter filters, because that's where you're going to have the biggest problems. Think about Rainy Day Gutters, RainyDayGuttersMN.com, Minnesota, and give them a call. When I talked to them, they said our filters are better, but they never really got into it. And so that's what I'm trying to show you today. And I've got them now on all the gutter filters on. I got 2 garages, and they work super. So check them out, RainyDayGuttersMN.com.